Hello everyone, I'm Naval Yamal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to calculate YTD using a time intelligence functions in DAX. So I have a data set of financial which is provided by Microsoft Power BI itself just for practice. So I'll be taking a date column from here and the sales column, and we have a sales amount here. So I will be calculating the YTD for this sales amount. So to calculate YTD, so YTD is nothing but year to date. I have explained you in detail how this YTD exactly looks like. You can watch the recordings there. Here, let me go and create a new measure. So to understand what is new measure, new column in detail, I request you to please watch my YouTube videos. You will get a clear understanding of what is new measure, new column. So let me create YTD. So there is one simple DAX function to create a YTD. The function itself is total YTD. You can calculate MTD and QTD in a similar way. So let me take total YTD, and now you can see how the syntax works. So it is asking you for the expression on which column do you want to apply this YTD, and it is asking you to pass the dates and then the filters and then the year end date. So there are four parameters here in which expression and dates are mandatory or compulsory, and these two are optional. So let us start with the beginning. So expression is I want to pass the sum of the sales here. So I do not have the sum of the sales measure already calculated. So let me use a sum of the sales column, financials table, sales column. I'll close this first. So expression is over, comma, it is asking you for the dates. So I want to apply the YTD on this date. If this table or this model has a dim date, we would have taken a dim date, but we are working on the date column which is inside the financial table only. So just take a date from the financial table, and it is asking you that YTD should be like your YTD should be per day. So that is filtering applying on date, So just you close it and press enter. Press enter, you get a new measure. Yeah, new measure, and that is YTD. So let me increase this font size. So you need to go to view. For that, go to customize your current theme, text, increase your font size. All pages it will increase to 50. Okay, now you can read out the numbers. So now I'll take a YTD in this YTD. Yeah, you can see you got a YTD. So I will cancel out the day from here. So we are not doing calculations with day. Now you can see if you look at the November or December 2013, it is nothing but the addition of all four: September, October, November, December. You got your YTD for 2013. So this is one way where you can represent, and the second way is you can keep YTD in your card visual, or you can take any visual. So this will show you the current year's YTD. So if you take a filter here like a slicer and put a date, you can convert this date to a hierarchy date, so that you can do in this way. Now if I click on 2014, so you get only details of 2014, and this amount or this measure or this YTD measure shows you only 2014's YTD. If I click on 13, so I will get only YTD of that particular year. So these are the two ways how you can represent YTD. Similarly, we can go to the QTD and MTD in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.